Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Chainlink once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. So right now, Chainlink, it came down in this previous whopping correction here. We topped out just there, started to roll, came down, broken this key level resistance just there. So because you've broken this puts you into technical targets of each point of contact on this trend line. Okay, so you can see that Chainlink is trying to retrace all the way back up to where it came from, and you can see it's ran into key resistance just there. Okay, this is what it does. So right now, believe it or not, Chainlink is looking relatively bullish, and the reason is, I'm going to show you right now, is because you've broken out of a falling wedge just there, which I gave people on Twitter and in the Patreon. You've broken out, offered a fantastic opportunity to come up and ride the retest of resistance where you formed the wedge. Look at that, technical target met, and in doing so, what you've done, you've created a beautiful pattern here. So you've got another breakout target which I'm going to give you, providing you can continue to do what you're doing, and it's holding support. So essentially, you know, this right here could be the bottom for Chainlink, and the reason is because you've got your low. Okay, you come up, you made a high, and you've made a higher low, and then you've run into resistance just there, and you're making another higher low. So you're essentially creating a beautiful pattern here, a beautiful reversal pattern. I'm going to show you right now. So you've got this key level resistance just there, which you ran into of this falling wedge basically, which I gave everyone. Okay, look at that beautiful breakout target there. Ride it up, beautiful little 25% long opportunity. Okay, so that's what you do. You trade the ranges, you trade all these breaks. Okay, it's all right, spot holding, whatever you want to do, but we can trade these events. When you go short, you can trade it. When you go long, you can trade it basically, and always take profit at the points in which I give you. Okay, this can all be done on Bybit. The link is in each and every single video description that I upload on YouTube and also on CoinsKid.com. It's in the link section. Okay, take advantage of their bonus scheme that they've got going on. So you can see ran into resistance, take profit point. Beautiful, because if you held the long, you come back down, you're losing profit, and eventually, you know, if you think, oh shit, I'm going to close me long, you know, you're only 6% up, where you could have rode it all the way up from that break just there, all the way up. Beautiful 24% long opportunity right there. Take profit at the resistance point in which I gave you. Okay, so this is what happens when you break out of falling wedges. You usually retrace to the point of contact. It's technical target, and with that you can see, like I said to you, you're creating a beautiful structure here for Chainlink. You've got this high low structure and this whopping ascending triangle on the daily time frame. Don't forget this is daily time frame. You've come down, I mean this wick here shows support as well. Come down, resistance, support, resistance, support, and right now you're rallying into resistance again. So you know, you're creating a beautiful reversal pattern here, a whopping ascending triangle, and essentially some kind of big double bottom pattern with high lows. Okay, and a key level of resistance. So from there to there is your technical target. Once you break out of this key level resistance, I'm going to show you right now for Chainlink, from there to there could offer a fantastic long opportunity again of around about 26% to your take profit point. Okay, so that would be your take profit point at that, once you break that level of resistance just there, and you can do all this on Bybit. Chainlink's looking relatively bullish here, like it's low out, because you're creating this beautiful bullish reversal pattern on the daily time frame. Now equally, there was some news that came out yesterday, and I did share this on Twitter this morning, that Sergey Nazarov, the founder of Chainlink, has said that staking Chainlink is coming this year. Now, I don't know if you know too much about Chainlink and the project and what it's doing, but that's enormous news, okay? 2022, not financial advice, but it could be a very explosive year for Chainlink, and it's already sort of bottoming out here and looking extremely bullish and explosive, you know. And I know a lot of people are fearful on Chainlink, saying we've entered a bear market and, you know, we're coming down and we're losing support, but at the end of it, you know, you have had this correction here, you've still not lost this low. Okay, that's a key low, and I've said that to you the whole time. You lose that low, down you go, but you've not done it yet. You've come down and you've made a higher low for Chainlink right here, you know, and you've got the technical news, you've got the news out that staking is coming out this year. So, you know, again, not financial advice, do that information what you want, but you're forming a beautiful ascending triangle pattern, essentially a double bottom pattern with high lows, structurally holding an ascending level of support on the daily time frame. You start to come up and you break above 23.21. You're going to be an impulsive break to 29.11, where again, you know, you take profit points, and you can see it's a level of resistance there on that trend line as well, you know. And then you're starting to break out and get the full retracement there, and once you do start to break out, you know, these technical targets that I've got up here that I've gave you many moons ago, for Chainlink are looking relatively fruitful in 2022, aren't they? So again, nothing to say is financial advice. Everything is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But Chainlink could be an absolute monster trade here moving forward. You can trade all these ranges and these breakout resistance and loss of support, come back down, or whatever it is. You know, draw your patterns. You can do all this on Bybit. They've got a beautiful bonus. Take advantage of it. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another Chainlink update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.